Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in the year of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. This is the engineering oversight video. We're midway through the construction here, and let's begin the video. I'm up on the 3rd floor here, and work has been done on the railing, as you can see, and we have a bunch of bolted connections, and they worked on this. Last time I think there were some welded connections. There's a lot of new bolted connections, and you can see along the platform they did work here. One suggestion is to run this rail to anchor the railing a little bit better into the building. Bring another 1x1 across and anchor in. And then the other thing is, it may not be evident in the video, but there's a couple of things that have to be done here. First of all, this platform sags a little. I think it was overburdened with weight. I think some of the load got transferred all the way up here, and we have a very small bracket. So that's been stressed, and the owner has been told that that needs to be reinforced. We described some larger angles to land in a different spot. He's aware of the problem. The other thing is all these slats need to be bolted down on both sides, on this side and also here. They have lifted up. There was a welded connection, but as you can see, as we go down, there will be you will see the work done. And you can see here the new bolt, there's fresh primer. They have to open this up when they silicone and then squish it down again so that you get a really good seal in there. But there's been a lot of work done, and we will continue down. This is typical of their work. Let me just come in here and very slowly focus underneath so you can see. You can see they have new hardware, and they primed it, and the priming, they've completely removed the step. They're doing a nice job on this. And we're just progressing down. Every step you can see here has been primed. So we're in good shape here. On this platform we run into a little problems. First of all, you've got an inordinate amount of steps without a support, and that weight is burdening this platform. The platform, the owner said he was going to put a column down, and the column will go into a sanyo tube, and we're going to reinforce it here so that this load gets transferred a little bit better because of the long length of the steps. And we've got a smaller bracket here. This has also been overburdened, so in lieu of replacing this particular angle, you got to kind of look through the treads. You can see how thin it is. As I go down, I'll shoot it, but this particular angle's been overburdened, and as a result we have a slight slant on the platform. And then the other problem we have here is just this particular post for the railing is welded on. We'll show you a clip so that can become a bolted connection. Okay, and now we're going to descend down. All these steps have been pulled out. New hardware has gone in, and they've all been primed. Again, they have to be opened up and siliconed. And then right here, again on the platform, we need bolts, and you can see here this is all lifting, so that's got to get addressed still. But we're making very good progress, and you can see here the clips they put in and the new hardware. It's all been addressed since last time I was here was December, just before Christmas I think it was. So here we go down, and this is all typical. And then we have a brand new platform here. This has been poured. Last time this was right into the dirt, so that's been addressed. And then let's just take a walk over here so you can see what I was talking about as far as this particular bracket's been overstressed because of the weight on it. Part of that, this staircase was resting on the ground, and it settled, and that weight pulled this whole thing over. So the column is going to run down along here and end here. Okay. And again, I'll just give you some shots over here of the work that's been done. You can see the nice job they're doing with the hardware and the primer. All this has been addressed. So this concludes the interim inspection, the middle inspection, as far as the fire escape's concerned. And there's more work to be done, but this concludes the video for now. Bye-bye.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.